Which of the following options is true? Now there are 4 options. I'll show one by one each. A is this: 5 by 7 is less than 7 by 9 is less than 9 by 11 is less than 11 by 13. You have to find out whether this is true or false. Remember, this is only one option. There are 4 options like this. So we'll have to solve each option one by one. Now first I'll show you the book method, what the book does. First book method is take the LCM of all of these 7, 9, 11, 13 denominators. Then find the answer. I would suggest don't find the answer. Just keep the multiplication as it is. Then convert each fraction into that LCM. Means 5 by 7 means multiply by remaining numbers, numerator and denominator. Similarly, this 7 by 9, 9 by 11, 11 by 13. In fact, you have to find the answers in that case. Yeah, you'll have to find the answers. Then compare, as the denominators would be the same, compare each numerator with each other. Now similarly 4 options like this. You will go mad while solving these problems like this. So don't solve it by this book method. I'll show you the fastest method. First, see, these are the 4 options: A, B, C and D. These you have to solve each one by that book method. I'll definitely say you'll go mad. So the correct answer is A over here. That's why first I am solving B, C, D and then A. So let's start with B first. Instead of getting LCMs of all these 4s as given in the books, what you do is, the best way is, compare first two, means 11 by 13, 9 by 11. Just check this. How to compare two fractions? Cross multiply them. 11 11 is 121 and 13 9 is 117. So the answer comes over here is 121 is less than, this sign remains same, is less than 117. So is this true? False. So once this is false, the whole statement becomes false. So don't solve anything else. B is false. Now C. Compare first two and last two. Okay. 5 by 7 and 11 by 13. So cross multiply 65 and 77. 65 less than 77. That is true. So compare last two. 7 upon 9 and 9 upon 11. So 11 7 is 77, 9 9 is 81. So 77 less than 81. That is also true. So then compare the two middle ones, 11 by 13 and 7 by 19. So 11 by 13 and 7 by 19. 11 9 is 99, 13 7 is 91. So 99 is less than 91. So that is false. So that's why C is false. See here, only in C we have done this so much calculations. In B we solved it easily. That's why I say don't find the LCM of all these at one stroke. Go step by step. First two, last two, then middle two. So now D, 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. First compare the two. So 11 has a 55 and here 63. That is true. Then last two, 10 by 13, 7 by 9. This 90, 117. That is also true. Then middle two, 9 by 11, 10 by 13. So 117 less than 110. So that is false. That's why D is false. Now A, 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. So 45 less than 49. Similarly here 9 by 11, 11 by 13. So 117 less than 121. That is also true. First two, last two, now middle two. 7 by 9, 9 by 11. So 77 less than 81. That is also true. So that's why A is true. This was a bigger problem. Actually it consisted of 4 problems. That's why this was a bit